This is iClip, something I bought on plane home to my country from Moscow or Russia when I was on holiday, and I think about it for a long time that I could use something for my credit card, and I bought this iClip, and it's made in Germany. I opened it now for some minutes ago. I never use it. And genuine leather. And made in Germany. In different colors, collection and colors. And here you can see iClip made of finest materials. Fine materials. How to find the right card. You can have 12 cards here, and that's the whole point. And money. So it's much more easy to take this with you when you are on concert, or you do something and you maybe don't have so much space, you don't have big jacket or something, you are on the beach. That is good. You have it like here, and you have all the card back here with on this side, so you can see everything. You open up, and here is like, this should be like 50 euro example. So you have money here, and you can have your card here, so you can do like this, and you can see different, so you easy find your right card. So how smart is this? I like it. It's very nice. It's very easy to take with me everywhere I go because it's so little. And today I only use credit card. Everything I pay for is like credit card. I don't use money anymore like I do before. For some years ago I only use credit card, and I need this. This iClip will be my friend for the next years. So it's perfect. Smart little thing. Different cards. Many cards. You can have 12 cards here. Very nice. iClip, made in German.